that every child must be safe, should not be injured. But to our surprise, if any child is falling down, immediately getting up without wastage of a single second and joining this row of competition. That's truly wonderful that we have observed the Army, Navy and Air Force in our these roller skaters. They are the true heroes of our country. My salute to the esteemed team of referees working for 20 hours out of 24. They have been organizing this tournament, fair and just tournament, right from 5 a.m. till 12 midnight. They have been reaching their room at 12:30 and getting up at 4 o'clock or 3:30 for the conduct of this tournament systematically in fair and just way. So my heartfelt salute to the referees as well as CBSE observer. They have been with these referees also for 20 hours continuously. My heartfelt thanks to coaches that they are not making only heroes, they are making the children of our beautiful Bharat as a steel. Because whenever referees, they are announcing that yellow card, red card, how they are managing their emotions. It has been taught to them by their coaches that you are having this skill, you are having learning experience. Winning and losing is not the result. Result is your learning experience. You are winner because you have practiced a lot. So after getting yellow and red card, the child of the 6, 7, 8 years is managing the emotions and thinking it is not my defeat, it's a challenge. And I will encounter the challenge tomorrow and will come up with this grand success. Heartfelt thanks to the coaches for this wonderful training to your disciples, to your students. My heart-touching thanks to parents and managers that they have spared this week-long time to inspire and encourage the children, to inculcate the sporting spirit among the children. That's a big thing. Otherwise, we have seen many parents, they say that no games, no sports, only academics. You have to enjoy the package in future. But such parents, they realize money is not everything, health is everything. Because healthy body and sound mind can transform the dreams of the children into reality. So my thanks, big round of applause to the parents. Really, they're encouraging the students to participate in games and sports. My thanks to the medias also for highlighting the children positively in newspapers, encouraging them. Ultimately, Bharat belongs to these young children. They are the true ambassador of progress and prosperity of our beautiful Bharat. So thanks to the media. A big thanks to the all working committee of SRN International School, right from hospitality to this food committee, refreshment committee, light and sound committee, music department, electricity committee, hospitality committee, and fine art committee for the decoration. Each and every committee, my hostel staff, my cook, that is SRN's warden, SRN managers, they have been working day and night to make this event successful. So even the entire management is thankful to everyone for making this event a grand success. Last but not the least, my message to the roller skaters that, dear children, keep flying with confidence on this skate with the message of universal brotherhood and joy. And the beauty of this, week-long celebration is that this week-long celebration started with the festival of siblings, festival of Rakhi. And the siblings of three states assembled, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. And the way they reflected the love, affection, togetherness while practicing this ground amicably and systematically. Really, that's wonderful. In real way, we celebrated this festival of siblings, that is Rakhi, with the participants of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Now, it is being culminated with this festival of celebration of Independence Day. While practicing, they have been just flying on the wheels while expressing their gratitude, their love and affection towards their beautiful Bharats. So dear children, keep shining, keep rising and keep touching the height of success. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.